Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am creating this fun fall makeup look. If you guys would like to see how I got this makeup tutorial done, make sure to keep watching. And I'm going to go this way. So to get started, I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. For primer today, I'm going to be using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, for under my eyes, I'll be going in with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. This just helps with the creasing that I've been experiencing with the NARS foundation, and it has dramatically helped. For foundation, I am just going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Punjab. Concealer, I'm going to be going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. Next, I'll be going back in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, except this time I'll be going in with the shade Amande. And I'm just going to be contouring out my face. I'm just going to be going in with an old eyeshadow palette brush and then buffing out under my lip and then also my nose. To set my face, I'll be going in with the DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder, and I will be using my beauty sponge to buff that into my skin. So I just get some on my beauty sponge, and then I just dab it, starting at my nose and where I'll get my oiliest, and then I bring it out onto my cheek. And then I just dab it in. Next, I'm going to be warming up my face. I will be using the NARS bronzer that I got a couple weeks ago in the shade Casino. I absolutely love this bronzer. I feel like it's really been working well with my skin. Like I said in my last video, it's just my favorite now. To blend that out, I will be going in with my FARRAH brushes today. Today I'm going to be using number 30F to buff it out. I'm so glad I was able to find a really good bronzer that really just worked with this foundation. And especially this brush. I've just been loving the new makeup I've been getting. I made some good purchases. I'm going to be blending out my neck. I'll be in the shade 50F. I will be kind of contouring my nose up a bit too, so I'm going to be going in with the brush 55E, just with that same bronzer. Next, I'm going to be doing blush. I'm going in with the NARS shade Deep Throat. It's just a really pretty pink. I will be going in with my stippler brush. It is number 40F. Next, I'll be doing highlighter. I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. I will be using my fan brush to buff it out, and it is number 28F. All of the brushes I'm using today in this video are FARRAH brushes, and it is the Rose Gold collection. You will be able to find all of my makeup that I use today in the description box below, just like all my other videos. I'm just going to be using my finger to apply it to my Cupid's bow and also my nose. Next, just because I want to, I'm going to apply my lipstick. Now I'm going in with the NARS Turkish Delight. It's a really pretty pink. I wear this lip gloss all the time, every day, every day. I think if you have tan skin, I don't know, I just love having tan skin and pretty nude pink lips. Like, I love that. For my eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe 35V Artistry palette. You guys have seen me use this before, and I love it. The look I'm going for today is kind of a fall smoky eye. So to start that off, I'm just going to be going in with the same brush, 55E, that we use for my nose contour. Has a nice angle to it. And I will be using the shade Go Nude. And I'm just applying that all over my eyelid. So I'm just going to do this eye first, and then I will quickly finish the other one later. The next shade I'm going to be going in with is called In the Zone. And I'm just going to be using that same brush. And I'm just starting in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm working that in. I'm going to apply that same shade just under my eye, and then just really buff it out. So that should be the finish with that shade. And you really just want to make sure it's all blended. You don't want any harsh lines from where you applied it. You really just want it blended nice into your skin. I think I'm going to be going in with the shade Addicted. I will be going in with the brush 45E. It's a nice small brush. And I just want to apply it on the lid, right on the outside. And then after I apply it, I'll be buffing it out so it's nice and blended. And I will be doing that with a 35E brush. This is a nice big fluffy blending brush. That way this darker shade will blend out nicer. And I am trying to leave a space right here because I will be adding a lighter sparkle a little bit later. That way it kind of just brightens up the inner corner of my eye. For this look, I think I'm going to add some black, but I'm only adding a tiny bit on the same spot that I put the darker purple. I used the 45E brush to put it on, and then I'm using the same fluffy blending brush to buff it out. Okay, now that this eye is done, I will be going in with some sparkle just to add to the inner corner of my eye. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Lust. It's kind of like a light purple sparkle, so it'll just really brighten up the purplish hues that I put on my eye already. And I am just applying that right at the inner part of my lid, and I'm slowly bringing that out into the middle. And I will put it in the inner teardrop and have that just be the same shade. Just kind of brighten it up, and then I'm going back in with my blending brush just to make sure that it's nice and blended. So that is the finished eye. I'm going to quickly go do this eye, and I am going to apply some falsies as well. I'm going to be doing all of this off camera just to save some time on the video. I got these new Ardell Faux Mink eyelashes. They're luxury, lightweight, with knot-free Invisi bands. It comes with 4. It is the number 811. I feel like these are really good length. They'll be really pretty with this makeup look. So I'm going to quickly do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have my eyelashes on. Last step is my eyebrows. I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm in the shade Ebony. So to set my eyebrows, I always like to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I just like to brush them up. And then lastly, I am just going to touch up my lipstick again. So to set my face, I go in with the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. It is for oil control, which is what this girl needs. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe below, and make sure you share. And I hope you guys had a great Halloween. Have a great rest of your day.